How to save items to a list in Macy's. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Macy's website. Here, click on the product you want to add to your list. After you've clicked on the product you want to add to your list, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here above the image at the top right, you'll find a heart shape. Simply click on the heart shape icon and it is at the wish list. After you click on it, you will find added option. Now, to find your wish list, what you can do is click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. After you've clicked on three lines at the top left corner of your screen, scroll down at the bottom, click on Lists. It is the last option. Here you'll find all the lists that you have saved. And this is how to save items to a list in Macy's. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.